Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 GMC C15 killer truck, man. This is a little baby doll, guys. Less than 100 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Truck was just completed just a few months ago, and I mean gorgeous. Truck's out of Tennessee. A buddy of mine's one actually found this for me. Great truck. It's finished in tuxedo black. It's got all new interior. It's got a TMI leather bucket seat in it. Truck has the original, the matching numbers, 283 cubic inch engine in it. It has a brand new 350 turbohydramatic trans with all new converter. I'll get into the story of that. But great truck, man. I mean, it is complete frame off, very nicely done. Like I say, less than 100 miles on this truck. You can see it's got all brand new 20-inch chrome Ridlers all the way around it, all new rubber, brand new vintage AC system, and I mean nice truck, guys. When I say they get into the trans, buddy of mine got this truck, picked it up for me, drove it 30 miles, he said, back to his place. We got it here, went to put it in reverse, and we couldn't get it to go in reverse. So I drove it down to Fraley's Transmission here, and they found some shavings in the pan, so needless to say, I just told Terry, $1,450 later, it has a brand new 350 turbohydramatic trans in it with new torque converter. So the trans has got a 12,000 mile warranty on it now. You can see all new chrome. We just had a little GMC I just sold, and this kind of stuff right here, man, is expensive, guys. All new bumpers, slick black paint, guys. Like I say, I drove it to the trans shop. Great truck, nice and tight. Really drives well. All the gauges work. Heat works because obviously it was cold. All new glass. It's got all new tinted glass. I mean, everywhere you look, guys, this truck is nice. But really, it drove down the road really good. It's been lowered. It's got he called it a 5-7 kit, so it's lowered 5 inches in the front, 7 inches in the rear. They C-notched the frame. It's got drop springs. It's got drop spindles in the front, 2-inch drop spindles in the front, and it also has an adjustable panhard bar in the rear. Very nicely done. Really just a good looking truck, and it's as nice on the bottom, guys, as it is on the top. We're going to put this thing right in the front window and put mirrors underneath it. It must be a new Ridler. I can't say I've seen that wheel. It looks good, and it's chrome, 20-inch chrome. You can see all this trim is new. Again, brand new front disc brakes. It's got 2-inch drop spindles. The springs are new. I mean, all the front end components are new. It's got less than 100 miles on it. See the paint, it's slick. Again, does have the matching numbers, 283 cubic inch engine in it. We have the Protecto plate, so you can verify that on it for the engine. Brand new Holley 4-barrel, brand new Edelbrock intake. It does have the GM Ram's horn high performance exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the chrome air cleaner. It's got a nice set of finned aluminum valve covers. Brand new vintage AC. The heat works, the air works. Aluminum radiator. Utilizes, looks like the factory shroud. Again, brand spanking new 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got whatever it is from here to the trans shop on it, 5 miles on it. That is a pretty truck, man. Great day, boy. We got a nice day today. Unfortunately, we got bad weather rolling in tomorrow, or I'm sorry, tonight, actually. Really nice truck, man. Again, they've replaced all this. Again, all new glass, PMK diamond glass, new door handles. You can see how nice and clean the bottoms of the doors are. All new interior. I do have a really nice set of gray mats coming for this. It'll have the red GMC, new carpet, new sill plates. These are really nice. TMI makes nice stuff. TMI leather. It's got the custom console in the center. Stock steering wheel. That's in really nice shape. Factory dash and gauges. It looks like that's all, you know, a brand new cluster. $79,858. That is what is on the truck itself. I know all the gauges work. The only thing I couldn't get to work was the AM radio. Blower motor works, again, AC works, dual exhaust. It's got the factory rear end, not a big gear, you know, probably 323 or something like that. Again, it does have the adjustable panhard bar. You can see all the components here are new. Matt, you shut that door here. Make sure you got, yeah. Boy, you're looking for a nice short box truck. Tough to beat this one, I'll tell you that right now. Really nice underneath. You know, good truck. Other than, like I say, the only thing I couldn't get to, I don't think work was the radio. Other than that, man, it seemed like everything was working. You know, I'm sure I always tell people when you got stuff this new, I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown miles on it, but man, this thing is nice. This is nice. This is a kind of like a suede. You see that? They make nice stuff. Again, your protector plate and owner's manuals are in there. Dash is nice, padded dash. Go ahead and fire it up, guy. Yeah, the truck just ran and drove just as sweet as can be. Just push it up, there you go. Just turn your air on, it works. Rose cold heat works. Yeah, this is a nice truck, guys. I like that front grille. Truck's got a real good stand. It's just got a good look. All your gauges are working. Fuel gauge does work. Good oil pressure. Hopefully you can see all the lights here. Go back up just a little bit. Good. They do come on, and we got one out. I bet you we just wiggle the ball, but those reverse lights do work. There you go. Probably just needs to be adjusted. I'd say when they put the trans in, it just needs the switch needs to be adjusted. No on the radio. To turn your AC on, everything is functional from this switch actually here. Vintage utilizes the factory switch. So for AC, you leave it on cold. For heat, you switch it over here and your blower motor is done through here. You flip it over to heater, boom, it kicks your AC on, whether you're using the heat or the AC. I like that front end. Good looking truck. Oh man, our little lights come loose there on the front. We'll check it. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can click that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new one of these videos. That's pretty, man. Pretty truck. I like that wheel. Truck sits good. Have a great day, guys.